Uh, Good morning, student. I am Mohammad Shabbir, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in Global Institute of Technology, Jaipur, and I am here to teach a lab course named as Programming using Matlab. So, these are the course outline or course syllabus of lab, and lab is based on Matlab's software developed by MathWork, and it has 1.5 credit in your 4-year BTech mechanical engineering course, and have the maximum marks of 75, which is divided into two parts of assessment. One is internal assessment, which comprises 45 marks, and another one is external assessment, and which comprises 30 marks. So the syllabus of this lab has have 10 experiment, which have first experiment is basics of MATLAB computer programming. Second experiment is about formula and inbuilt function, and the third is MATLAB script and functions, loop, nested loop, array, vectors, matrices, plotting functions, vector, and solving linear or differential equation using MATLAB, reading and writing data using MATLAB toolbox and MATLAB graphics. So we go through one by one, but first question arises: what is MATLAB? There are many different software packages available. It is important to understand the different capability of each, as one software package may be the best tool depending on the task. Here I introduce MATLAB, which stands for Matrix Laboratory. MATLAB is very cost effective, easy to learn, and blend powerful number of crunching capability with graphic display. It is a tool for working with large data sets, and MATLAB has become the industry standard for use in many fields including mathematics, bioinformatics, finance, and engineering always. And this software is very popular in universities, teaching and research also. So MATLAB is also a programming language that currently is widely used as a platform for developing tool for machine learning. Right now we are using very much application based machine learning program. So first question is why it is useful for prototyping artificial intelligence project. The answer is very simple. Large toolbox of MATLAB provided very large toolbox of numerical, image library functions, and etc., and very useful for displaying and visualization data. And it is a high level language, and basically focuses on various algorithm structure, not on low level detail. So it has the capability to you allow allow quick prototyping development of algorithm. So moving forward, we have some other aspect of MATLAB, like MATLAB is an interpreter, not as fast as compiled code, but it can convert to C, C++, or Java or SQL, etc. So this is a commercial product, but widely used in industry and academia. And in academia, you have many algorithm and toolbox really available in net as well as in website of mathwork.com. So symbolically, math toolbox for algebraic and calculus operation and solution of different equation. So Simulink capability with Simulink, it has the portable program file across platform, and various large number of add-on toolboxes for application and simulation. Very huge database of user contributed file toolbox, including a large number of available tutorials and demo, which is available in MathWork site. So you can check out on this particular site, and MathWork has a YouTube channel, so you can see various toolbox uses and application there. So it allows extension based on other languages such as C, C++, and it supports Java and object oriented program also. So basically, if you summarize the MATLAB toolbox and different areas, so it has 54 toolboxes, and and it has 35 Simulink products. And if we divide various areas, then we have parallel two toolboxes of parallel computing and almost eight toolboxes in math, statics and optimization, and we have 6 toolbox of control system design and analysis and so on, signal processing and communication, image processing and computer vision, test and measurement, data acquisition, computation, finance and data feed, computation, biology, code generation, application deployment, and etc. So Simulink application. Simulink application is a fixed point and event based modeling in which you can do physical modeling like mechanical modeling, in which you have various type of hydraulics and driveline. In physical modeling you can also do radio frequency, electronics, power system and biology. And control system in which you can simulate design optimization of aerospace, and in signal and image processing and computer vision you can use also simulation there. So in communication system there is a digital and analog and wireless, and in code generation you have to know about the embedded system and DSP chips and etc., and many more have the Simulink application. So for a summary, what is Matlab is or Matlab is for? So Matlab is a data processing and visualization tool. It is very easy and fast manipulation and processing of complex data, and it provides visualization to add data interpretation very efficiently, production of publication quality figures, and it is for high level. It is a high level programming language and can write extensive program application, and it has faster code development than with C and Fortran, etc. So these are some of the diagram which are extracted from Matlab software. So this is a 2D plot which is plotted against some data on x-axis and some data on y-axis, and compare with the original data and what is the variation between these data you can conclude on this particular data. So we have 2D plots like this in which you can see a whole month generated data of weather, like its altitude, its temperature, its wind speed over the month of period. So this is a visualization aid provided by Matlab. So you can put data into this type of visualization. These are also image taken from Matlab software, which is used for data interpretation and visualization aid. These are also 2D or 3D plot which are extracted from Matlab. This is also a diagram extracted from Matlab. These are also a 3D diagram, mesh diagram. So moving forward, the Matlab environment. Matlab is divided into 4 or 5 segments, and it has current folder, command window, workspace and edit escape editor. So just we have to move original software. So in here you can see Matlab shortcut. So just double click on it and it will appear after some time. So this is the default layout of Matlab, and I am using here Matlab version R 2013A. These are the 3 tabs over there: home, plots and apps. In particular apps we have many toolbox, as I explained earlier, like math and statics and optimization. We have curve fitting, distribution fitting, MBC model fitting, MBC optimization, neural network. In artificial neural network we have neural net clustering, neural net fitting, neural net pattern recognition, neural net, time series optimization, PDE. In control system design toolbox, we have control system tuning, fuzzy logic, MPC, neuro fuzzy design, PID tuning, system identification, etc. And we in the signal processing and communication, we have different type of toolbox over there. In image processing and computer vision, we have image acquisition, image viewer, map viewer, video viewer, etc. In test and measurement, we have instrument control, OPC client, vehicle CAN, bus monitor. And in finance, we have finance time series. In many of the area of like in biology, we have in computational biology, we have toolbox, molecular viewer, NGS browser, pathogenic tree, and sequence alignment, sequence viewer, and sim biology. So these are the some of the toolbox provided by Matlab. So in a plot window, you can different type of plot, which you can plot different type of graph, 2D or 3D graph. So moving on, home tab, we have here a new script, and if you click new, it will appear new script, function, example, class, system, object, figures, and different Simulink model where you can simulate other. And if you want to open a certain file, they have open. You have to click on particular tab, and then it appear open, and you can open any file, all Matlab file, Matlab codec file, Matlab app installer, Simulink model, and etc. all. So you can open here. If you want to import data, you can import data from anywhere and save in workspace area. So these are the some of the basic layout you will get in Matlab 2013A. So as you see there, this is a command window. In command window is where you can perform basic calculation, enter command, run program, and view numerical output. And this is a command history, or I would say, this is a command history. Command history basically keeps a record of past command that were entered in the command window. To run a command again from command history, you can simply double click like this, so it will appear in command window. Or if you want to alter the command before running it, you can click and drag it to the command window and change it, and then run it by hitting enter. So I'm just dragging this into command window and changes 5 into 6 and hit enter. Then answer goes 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 in A. So first I want to clear all the commands, so I use CLC command. So CLC command is used to clear the command window. And we have directory or workspace here. So basically directory shows the file in the current directory, which itself is listed at the top of the screen. This file can be run by double click like this. Okay, so you can edit 11 here, or just close it on close button, or you can right click and delete, and then it will appear, are you sure you want to delete the selected variable? Then you click OK. So moving on, command window example. So suppose if you want to add some number, like you want to add 7 plus 8, then 7 plus 8 and hit enter button, and the answer is 15, and answer this particular 15 answer is the value of 15 is assigned to the variable ans. and suppose if you want to assign a variable, so you have to write a is equal to 15 and hit enter. Then variable a is created in the workspace and a is created here, and suppose you want to assign another variable, a is equal to 8 and hit enter. Then the previous assigned value is replaced by 8, and if you assign, suppose I want to assign b is equal to 9 and use semicolon, then what will appear here, first assignment of value to the variable is right to left, where here both a and b are 8 and 9, but 8 is appear in the command window and but 9 is not appear in command window, and variable of this value of 9 is appeared on workspace. So it means semicolon, if you use semicolon, then it will not appear in command window, but it will be assigned in workspace, where you can alter, manipulate, and this. So basically CLC command is used to clear command window, and if you want to clear all the variable which is appeared in workspace, so use clear command, clear, and hit enter. So it will clear all the variable. Or if you want to clear a particular variable, like suppose a have 5 and b have 9 variable, or if you want to clear only one variable, I want to clear b, so obviously b will disappear here from the workspace, and only, or if you want to clear a, so you have to write clear a, and then a is also clear from command window or workspace, both. So these are the some of the starting command for using MATLAB. So moving forward into PPT, so like this, yes. So these are already discussed, if we assign x is equal to 5 with semicolon, or MATLAB is a case sensitive, and the variable small x and capital X are not the same. So if you assign small x is equal to 5 with the semicolon, and if you assign capital X is equal to 6 and use small x plus x, then your answer is 11. So MATLAB is case sensitive. It means a small letter or capital letter is assigned different variable, or like this you have to try on MATLAB. Semicolon basically suppress the output of line that it conclude, so it will terminated from command window itself. So this is already done by me. So clear command delete all the existing variable from the memory, and CLC command remove everything from the command window. And if you want to clear only a particular variable, you have to write clear and the variable name in command window, so it will clear all the variable name, if you want to clear a or b or c or any assigned variable, so it will clear only that particular assigned variable. So moving forward into the MATLAB basics. I and j variable is these are the built-in constant used for complex number. For example, z equal to 2 plus 4i, and pi is used pi, and infinity is used as inf. And if you divide if you write on Matlab divide by 0, you will get not a number nan. So these are the built-in constant. You can't use this type of built-in constant in to assign any variables. So if you want to calculate the area of circle, and which have the radius is 5, and so formula, so you have to assign r is equal to 5 like this, and area of a circle is area pi r square. So you have to write a is equal to pi into star into r square. The answer will and then hit enter, then the answer will appear on the command window. Area is equal to 78.5398. Like this, if you assign the z1 is equal to 3 plus 3i, or z2 is equal to 3 plus 5i, and want to add z is equal to z1 plus z2, then the answer is z is equal to 6 plus 8i. So this is the Matlab basics of any, or so suppose if you want to know the answer yx is equal to 3x plus 2 by 2. So if you write these equation in correct manner, then you will get answer correct. So if x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2, and you want to know the y2 value is, so answer is very simple. So it is 3:2, 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So answer would be 4. But if you write y is equal to 3 into x 2 by 2, then the answer will appear y is equal to 7, because here math rule is applied. It means BOD mass is applied, and if you can't use bracket over here, then it will move to wrong answer. So you have to write like this: y is equal to bracket 3 into x plus 2 bracket close divided by 2. Then you will get answer, correct answer, and which is 4. So moving forward, mathematical expression, like if you want to use log x, which have the natural log base e, so simply you have to write log in bracket x, and if the base is 10, so you have to write log 10 and in bracket x variable name. Square root is represented as sqrt command with bracket x, and e to the power x exponential is written as in Matlab exp x. And if you want to square x square, then you have to write x and upper note and 2, so you will get answer. So students, you can calculate the expression different value of x and y, and you will get the answer z. So you have to write down. So if you want to know the answer, z is equal to 3x square plus under root x square plus y square plus e to the power ln x, so you have to write like this. And if you want assign x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2, then you will have to write in this particular manner, like z is equal to 3 star x raised to the power 2 plus sqrt for square root, and x raised to the power 2 plus y raised to the power 2 plus exp for exponential, and in bracket log and in bracket x and then bracket close and then again bracket close. So then you will get the correct answer, which is 16.8284. So you suppose if you want to know the surface area of a cylinder, and you have height 8 and radius of the cylinder is 3. If you want to calculate this calculation on Matlab, so you have to write its correct equation, like you have to assign h is equal to 8, which is height, and radius 3, and then area is calculated under 2 multiplied by pi into r square plus 2 pi into r into h. Then you will get the surface area of cylinder, which is 207.3451. You have to try this type of calculation in your command window, then you will get the proper answer. So this MATLAB can calculate anything, but you have to write in proper format and proper understanding of this particular software. So this is very this software is very good for calculation and matrix calculation and vector calculations, or any complex calculation of differential equation or linear equation or difficult equation in mathematics. So we will learn next topic of MATLAB basic in another lecture. Thank you.